Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel, make sure you do well to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also guys follow the Telegram channel. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So now let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. So let's start with our trend on GBPJPY. So this is a trend to the upside. We are very much in an uptrend move. Once again, guys, click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification. So now this is it on JBPJPY. We are in an uptrend move. So market is very much clear in bullish move to the upside. Now this is it here. We had this high. Here comes the higher low. So markets eventually give us another bullish move that formed higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market position begin to form a new high, and here comes the higher low. Market pushes up again to form a new high, and here comes the higher low. So market has now done what? Give us another bullish move, which is a new high, right? So we've gotten this higher high. So a lot of traders, due to FOMO, which is fear of missing out, would want to start hopping in on the buy, would want to start stacking in on the buy. I would say no. Wait for your pullback to play out right here. That is exactly what you should be expecting. We should be expecting market to actually give us a pullback at least to a level of 208. So currently, GBPJPY is trading at 210. That is where GBPJPY is currently trading at. It is trading at 210. So it will be best you wait for your pullback to a level of 208. Then once we get that pullback to a level of 208, then we can now start looking for another buy again. So wait for your pullback to a level of 208. Once we get that pullback to a level of 208, then we can now start looking for another buy that will push up to form a new high. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our GBP JPY for the day. But guys, first wait for your pullback. Before you start anticipating for that bullish move, before you start anticipating for that buy, expect market to give you a pullback first before markets can now start pushing up again that will form a new high.